Hi and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a SEO micro-niche website. First of all, a profitable niche should be found. Secondly, the way of how it is going to be monetizable has to be chosen. Mainly, we are going to use Google AdSense and Amazon Affiliate. Then, a keyword research must be done. I'm going to be using Oversuggest by Neil Patel. Once we have the keyword research, we have to work on the web structure, so a content structure can be made. After that, the hosting and domain have to be bought. When we have the hosting bought, the WordPress CMS must be installed. Once inside the WordPress, different plugins can be installed to make easier the content creation. For the next step, the content has to be created. Then, the website must be indexed on Google and Bing. After that, the website behavior have to be analyzed for 15 or 30 days. Finally, the content has to be optimized based on the analysis results, thinking always in SEO. Thank you for watching.